nyo ba, ang Uniqlo na sinusuot natin ngayon ay nagsimula lang sa isang maliit na tailoring shop sa probinsya ng Japan. At ang founder, si Tadashi Yanai. He turned it into a fashion empire worth 98 billion US dollars. Paano niya ginawa? Pag-usapan natin. Si Tadashi ay pinanganak noong 1949 sa Yamaguchi, Japan. Anak siya ng may-ari ng maliit na tailoring shop. After graduation, pinilit siyang magtrabaho sa Aeon, isang malaking trading company. Pero after 1 year lang, nag-resign din siya. Bumalik siya sa shop ng tatay niya at kahit simpleng family business lang, doon niya nakita ang potential. Natuto siyang magbenta, mag-handle ng customers, at mag-observe kung ano ba talaga yung kailangan ng tao sa damit. Noong 1984, siya na ang CEO. Pero imbis na sundan niya yung ginawa ng tatay niya, he had a bigger vision. A casual wear, store na unisex, simple, affordable, pero high quality. Kaya binuksan niya yung Unique Clothing Warehouse sa Hiroshima. At dahil sa typo error lang sa registration, naging Uniqlo ang pangalan. It was a funny mistake, pero naging iconic. Habang ang ibang fashion brand sobrang focus sa trends, si Yanai, iniba niya. He wanted to master the basics. Kasi trends come and go, pero basics, they never die. Kaya nag-focus siya sa fabric innovation, simplified na designs, at efficiency sa production. Parang ginawa niyang formula yung quality, plus affordability equals everyday essentials. By 1990s, nag-boom to. More than 100 Uniqlo stores across Japan ang meron. Pero hindi doon nagtatapos ang pangarap niya. Global expansion naman ang tinarget niya next. By 2001, they opened their first store in London. Pero ito yung hard part hindi nag-work agad yun. By 2003, nagsara sila ng 16 out of 21 stores. For most people, baka yun na yung end. Pero hindi kaya Yanai. Ang sabi niya, we learned the hard way. We need to adapt to each country, but we must never lose our brand identity. So he went back to the core. Basics, innovation, consistency. At dito nagsimula ang game changers. The heat tech. Ito yung thermal wear na manipis pero warm. Of course, we also have the Airism. Super breathable fabric para sa mga mainit na climate. Kagaya dito sa Pilipinas. At ang number 3, yung ultralight down jacket. Sobrang gaan, pero warm. These weren't just clothes, they were everyday solutions. Kaya nga worldwide, nakakabenta na sila ng over 1 billion pieces ng heat tech at Airism pa lang, combined. Today, Uniqlo has 2,500 stores in over 25 countries. At si Tadashi, he's now worth more than 40 billion US dollars, making him the richest man in Japan. From a small provincial tailoring shop to a global fashion powerhouse. At kasi nagsisimula lang sa idea, sa vision, na kapag na-perfect mo, you can conquer the business industry. Basics is what makes you extraordinary. Ikaw, gaano mo na i-enjoy ang Uniqlo pieces mo? Comment mo naman sa comment section.